morning, magandang umaga.
Good morning.
And welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Boy, do we have an extremely exciting episode for you today. Something that we weren't planning on doing as a video episode on My PI Dream, but since when we arrived at our location, which happened to be our celebration of our 23rd anniversary.
Plus 5.
we were actually going to make this very private for the two of us, but we actually did a really neat vacation at a place called the Farm at San Benito, which is really about 20 minutes away from our house right here in Lipa City, and we didn't realize how conveniently located it was. But what we really didn't realize was how wonderful and out of this world, and you'll see what I'm talking about when we're talking about out of this world, this actual location and the offerings and the services that the fine folks out at the Farm of San Benito offer to its clients. Anyway, we're gonna go through today's episode. We captured it for ourselves, but we decided to go ahead and share it with you. One thing I want to mention beforehand, instead of at the end of the episode, is it was kind of a funny thing that you might not catch unless we actually talk about it just before it happens. That while we were at the farm, we notified them ahead of time that it was our anniversary. So there were all these really neat things set up for us every stage that we went through at the farm. And one of the things is they have some on-site entertainers that go around table to table. There was a young man and a young lady, guitar player and a singer.
It's Apple and Roser.
And the two of these were playing for us at all these different restaurants that we went to. So what we decided to do at our last day that we stayed there, the last full day, is we decided to do something nice for them when they were entertaining us at one of the restaurants. And you'll see what I mean when we get to that point inside today's episode. Well, that was a really long intro. Wasn't supposed to be that long, but we're going to go ahead and get into today's episode and let's just see our exciting stay at the Farm of San Benito. So anyway, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. So here we are at our villa at the Farm at San Benito. Let's take a look and see the villa that we actually picked out, what it looks like on the inside.
So in the church actually,
And that was the song. Do you have any other? Thanks. Happy anniversary.
It's like when you're doing jewelry, like relaxing.
Because it's floating. You see, it's floating on water.
way to beautiful.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It was really exciting for us, and it was something very, very unexpected for something that was so close in our locale. Well, I do want to recognize a few of the people out at the farm of San Benito who went above and beyond, which basically everybody did.
Yeah.
From security,
From the security guards to the workers,
housekeeping,
Yeah.
the management,
everybody was welcoming.
the people that worked at all the health and wellness spas inside there, all of them. But a couple of them right off the top of my head, I really want to recognize the very first person that we met when we went inside there, and that's one of the reception managers for the introduction of when we first started our stay there, and that was Charlotte Magabo. And what she actually did for us during our entire time, she always maintained contact with us, sending us messages over the phone to ask us, is there anything else that you can do? If we have any questions, so on and so forth. And she made our stay a very memorable one. And also, there was a couple other people that we wanted to mention.
Yes, Apple and Roser, the two entertainers who serenaded us
And what-
for 2 nights.
For two nights, that's right. And what about the manager
And
of the Alive?
assistant manager of Alive, Alex Manalang.
Yeah, made us feel
Hey.
very welcome, and actually made us feel like part of the family at the
Yeah.
farm at San Benito.
And the staff
Yeah.
of Alive.
Wonderful time. Well, anyway, that's about it for today's episode. We're going to get back into our regular DIY house building, everything that we do, gardening around here in our upcoming videos. Well, let's go ahead and close out today's video. Well, hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the My PI Dream heart in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video. So until such time from right here in the very beautiful and wonderful, wondrous Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.